Happy Wednesday, guys! Good morning! Today is July 20. May nakikita na akong paa doon. Si John Tito siya ng tinapay. Baba! Nililinis lang ni John yung counter. Ilalabas niya yung toaster. Naka-heater pa kami kasi medyo malamig. Baba, good morning. Good morning, Sak. Good morning. Vegemite and cheese, yung breakfast. Yan ang nilalagay dyan sa toast niya. And naglilinis si Sak. Yung mga tinanggal nila yun sa damit. Mga tags. Thank you, Sak. Si Holly nandun siya sa bed ni Kuya T. Thank you. Ayun si Sak. Inaayos niya yung bed niya. Nandun yung pillow sa baba. Kasi gusto yung gayahin yung ginagawa ko. Yung flat na flat talaga yung bed nila. Tingnan natin mamaya. And si Kuya din. Si Oli tapos na mag-breakfast. Pinasa na ni Kuya yung pillow sa kanya. Breakfast.
Go for drive though.
Yeah.
Have a little rain and all that. So
Alright.
get organised, kids. Get dressed. Like
Where are we going?
for a cruise. Have a look at the big boats.
Yeah.
Is it nice? Huh? Honey? Oh, you fixed it well?
Right, get dressed, Holly. Yeah.
Ayan na yung mga nabili kahapon. Si Sak kasi gusto niya suotin yung bago niyang shorts. The Rip Curl. How much is that, Sak?
$54.
$54 for that shorts. Hindi siya naka-sale. So you have to look after that shorts, please. Or else you're gonna pay me.
No more paying.
Guys.
Ay, nag-inom siya ng coffee. Kausap ko yung kapatid ko. Hi guys siya. Dito tayo sa car. Alis tayo Wag dyan. Wag dyan.
Ano sabi mo?
Ano sabi mo daw? Hi guys. Hi guys. So, dito tayo sa car. Yung dalawang bata andun sa pinakalikod. Si Holly, ayan. Naka-jeans kami kasi medyo malamig and naka-dress coat tayo. Ayan yung aking ayan, pa-inner natin. Okay, let's go. Where are we going? Waiting out. Hintayin lang natin. Marina.
Have a look at the big.
Black yung aking guys, pangkilay na ginamit. Kasi sabi ng kapatid ko, hindi raw bagay. Sabi ko, nalagay ko na. Diba? Okay lang yan. Mas gusto mo yung brown?
They haven't gone past you, have they?
I'm not sure, but Gold Anchor, Gogo City Marina and Shipyard. Okay, go inside na, Han.
No, we've got to wait so you've got to get in there.
Nauna na si Willow. Hindi na nakahintay si Johnny Boy. Pumasok na rin siya.
There's a big boat.
Saan makita
Look at this one
natin?
here, look at this one.
Mga yachts. Ayan guys. Another big yacht.
Wow.
Wow.
We've just got to get a park.
Yeah, we're going to the cafe.
Wait, are we having lunch?
Ang laki no. Private marina ang nakalagay doon. Ang laki ng yacht doon. Oh, authorized personnel only. So we cannot go and look. Kasi ang gaganda. Ang gaganda ng yacht, guys. Tinanong ko si Jess, who you think who own all those yachts? Sabi niya, millionaires. Ang gaganda ko lang. Ang gaganda talaga. Ang lalaki. Yeah. Ang gaganda. Ay, nakakuha si Wilong Park. Maingay. Ayan. Tingnan natin. Ayan guys, oh, pasilip. Daming pa naman. Maganda. Yung pinaka-gusto ko yun ay yung yan. Nagpa-picture kami doon. Pinicturean ko siya. Tapos nagpa-picture kami kay Zach. Grabe, ang buhok. All over. Iisip ko. Ang ganda ng mga yan. Nagilinis-linis ko yan. Nakalis na pala tayo sa marina. And drive-drive lang tayo dito. Daming bahay na nasa ang katapat nila river. Daming mga gandang bahay din. Ayun, golf cart. Diyan sila. Yan yung kanilang pedestrian or road nila. Ayan sila. Oh. Ayan sila. May dog. Ang cute.
Overseas, look at it.
Pumasok tayo sa guys, golf course. Ayan. Ito yung golf course na may pool. Nice. And then may tennis court. Oh, nandito na lahat. Ikaw na lang pili kung anong gusto mong gawin. Tingin sila. Dito lang tayo. Dito na sila. Umuulan na. Hi. Ulan. Ayun yung mga units or house na may patubig. Tayo dito sa Hope Island Resort. Is this golf course, hon?
Golf course later.
Links Hope Island Golf Club.
Ang golf. Yung kanina, golf club din yun. Resort din pala yun. Pero hindi pwede yung hindi naka-check-in na maglaro. Kaya, dito tingin ulit sila kung pwede sila maglaro dito. Resort kasi. Resort. Yung unang pinuntahan, hindi sila pwede maglaro. Dapat naka-check-in ka sa resort nila para makapaglaro ka. What's that, Han? Units or houses? Good luck na sa inyo. Mona. Ayan o. Hindi, baka units kasi pare-pareho. Pare-pareho lang yung kanilang itsura. Yes, baby. Mag-inquire lang sila kung pwede sila maglaro. Good luck. Lumakas yung ulan. Where's Kuya? Did he go with Daddy? Ah. Kami lang pala naiwan dito sa car. Umalis din si Kuya. Naulan na sila. Siguro straight ko itong book. Linower ko to guys. Pinaliguan ko siya and linower ko. Yan ang yung mag-ama. How did you go?
I'm
You can?
Next Wednesday.
Wow!
Fine.
Okay, makakapaglaro sila dito. Wednesday, next week.
Yeah.
Next week daw guys, nakabook na sila.
Gotta be. Yeah.
Dito na ulit tayo guys. Kararating lang sa caravan. Mamaya alis ulit tayo. Pahinga lang. And yeah, pahinga lang. Anong oras na ba? 11:36. So, mamaya alis. I don't have money. Punta sila sa game room. Kuha sila ng money. Siksa, kumuha siya ng what shapes? Is that bacon one? Yeah. Okay, ako pahinga lang. Pahinga. Magpa-popcorn sila. Alis tayo, alas 2 daw. Ano pa lang naman, 12:42. Triple butter daw, Han.
Triple butter. So is this just the same as home? You got to take it out of this packet?
Yeah. No. Yeah. Yeah, and just put in the microwave for 3 minutes, I think.
No,
This side facing
Five.
up.
three.
Yeah.
Okay.
Depends what sort of microwave it's pretty
It's
much.
three.
Just click the start hand. 30-second every click.
No, surely you can do one.
Oh,
minute.
you can. Well, figure it out then.
Yeah, we'll have to. How's that? about when you open it, you cool off.
I want to open it.
Can I have some, please?
Just,
You want some? Okay. Mom wants some.
Baka magbihis ako ng jumper. Kasi mamaya sobrang lamig. Ayan.
Mom will get your bowl.
Yes, please. Thanks, Zach.
Put some in there.
How many we have?
2 left.
2 left. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Ayan, paper muna tayo, guys.
With
No,
Holly.
Ivy's got her own.
Yeah, we'll share with Zach and
TJ and Holly. Alis na tayo, guys. Nag-change lang ako ng bag. Ilipat natin yung aking ayan, dala ko super face. Batteries, dalawa. And alam nyo bang tatanggalin ko na yung aking, ito ba? Tanggalin ko, tapos ilagay ko na lang to sa sa bag. Kasi si Jan, wala siyang suit na ganito. Yung, ito ba, para dito sa park. Tanggalin natin. Ilagay ko sa bag. Okay, ready na. Alis na tayo. Alis, ito yung ating bag. Ayan. Si Jan, nag-shave na si Johnny Boy. Asa na sila? Doon na sila sa labas. Ayan sila. Si Kuya, gusto niya yung jumper. Si Zach, si Jan ang nagpili ng damit niya. Ayaw yan ni Zach. Gusto ni Zach mag-trackies. You look so cool, Zach.
Mine just died.
Yeah, you want, do you have that one? That pants? Ha? Si Holly, tinalian ko na siya. Lalagyan ko siya ng bow mamaya. Sa car na ulit tayo. Punta tayo sa Surfers Paradise ulit. And yung mga bata, ewan ko anong plano, pero imimit ulit natin sila, Dino and the family. Yung, nakita nyo na yun, yung friend ni Jan at ni Ben. Yung last time, kapatid, nasabi ko ba sa inyo, kapatid nila yung nandito sa, yung pumunta sa amin. Ngayon sila naman, yung kapatid niya na bumalik na sa lugar namin, sa Mount Gambier. So, sila naman yung nandito. So, imimit natin ulit sila. How are you doing, my love?
Zach, why is that seatbelt still there?
What seatbelt?
Put it back up, please.
Ayan, yung dalawa nandoon sa likod. Sa pinakaduloy. Si Holly naka-seatbelt niya. Tinanggal niya lang yung arms niya.
And I got my stickers.
May sticker siya and may bows na siya.
Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Only time will tell. Why do you keep telling me nothing? But I know why you flaws, at least they say something. Still I try to connect with you through your eyes. Your eyes. What is on your mind? I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Yeah.
What's that?
I mean, you and Dad look coolest.
We look coolest. Dito na kami guys, nakapark na tayo. Where are we? Surfers Paradise.
Southport.
Punta muna raw tayo sa time zone para sa mga kids.
Time zone.
Yes, time zone. Ayan yung slingshot. Go, Baba, go, 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 go. Diyan si Sak nag-slingshot.
Dad, that's
Tinitingnan niya yung ano, slingshot.
What small? No, it is
What? The slingshot? Na tayo guys sa time zone. Iniwan ko yung mga kasama ko doon kasi guys, matagal ko na itong gustong gawin, magpa-ear-pierce dito, and may nakita ko dito, ayan, Lovisa. I-try natin kung nagbubuta sila ng tenga dito. Balik daw akong 3:40 kasi nag-lunch yung gagawa guys, so punta muna tayo dito kay Usok Ek Noipi. Ayan. Nung isang gabi ko pa to gusto, kaso yung mga kasama ko, alam nyo naman. Ano kaya? Meron silang ganyan. Oh, parang sarap kumain. New arrival. Ano to? Sus, nagutom tuloy tayo. Nag-order akong sisig, pero punta muna ako sa time zone para ipalam sa kanila na kakain tayo. Wow! From there. Ayan si Sak. Okay.
on this one. I gotta
Dito si Sak. Where's Daddy Sak? Go Sak. Oh! Ang laki nito. Hindi ko mahanap si Johnny Boy. Not yet. So nagpaalam na ako dyan, nasabi ko kain muna ako dito. Medyo matagal pa siguro sila doon kasi may card yung mga bata at isang card. So sabi ko i-text na lang ako ni Jan, kain muna tayo dito kay Usok. Ito na ulit tayo. Lagdag ako ng chicken skin. So ganito yung setup nila dito. Dito tayo upo. So pwede 4 lang dito. Upo na tayo. Gusto ko sana mag-order din ng halo-halo. Kaso baka matapos yung mga bata and babalik tayo doon kay Lovista ba yun? Kalimutan ko, basta saan tayo magpapa-ear-pierce. And dito na yung order natin. This is the chicken skin. Yeah. And I have another one. Oh yeah, sisig. Thank you. Ako. Is it alright? May pizza. Kaya kain tayo guys. Oh my God. Unahin na natin ang Son of the Cross pa lang. And ito, ang upuan talaga. Thank you so much. Sarap. Ang sarap. Ito yung sisig. Pork sisig. Ang bango. Ang layo ko ba? Ang taas ng ng mesa. Ganyan. Sana huwag mo na matapos yung mga bata. Sarap. Malulokot tayo. Naririnig niyo?
For Alfred.
Sobrang sarap ng sisig nila. As in, maanghang, sobrang sarap. Thank you. May ano pa balahibo ni manok. Wala na tayong kanin, guys. And it is 3:31 na. Kailangan ko na pumunta doon kasi sabi ng babae, 3:40. Kung mag-order pa ako ng kanin, magmamadali tayo. Ang dami ko pang tirang sisig ko. Ang sarap ipa. Hingi na lang ako ng takip. At saka meron pa tayong ayan yung skin. I-take away na lang natin. Sayang. Sarap pa naman. Gusto ko sana ng kanin. Raso. May gagawin pa tayo. So, tapos na tayo, guys. Napa-take out ko na yung aking tira. Punta na tayo kay Lovisa. Sana nandoon na. Si Jan, nakita ko. Nandoon na si Jan. May kasamang kasama niya syempre yung friend niya. Ay bibilin daw sila. Yung mga bata nasa time zone pa magluloko. So, eto yung kukunin natin. Eto, tsaka ayan. And bumili ako nito para kay Holly. And that's the one. Thank you. Breathe. Okay.
Yeah, relax. Sorry, honey. Alright. Beautiful. Alright. Alright.
Oh, shit. Yeah. Round
Okay.
2.
You ready?
Yeah.
2 in 1 in. One time. Good job. Done. Okay?
Yeah.
Looks pretty.
Okay. Good.
How are you feeling?
Good.
This looks really good.
Yeah.
Just there's a little bit of a gap, okay? I don't want to push it too much in case it's swelled. Tomorrow you can push in more when you
Okay.
want.
Dito naman sa isa. Oh, pinagpapawisan ang kilikili ko. Ilagay ko na yung, may binili akong maliit na earrings para para magkakapatid sila, magkakawala, hindi na ako makapagsalita. Ganito ba ito? Dito na yung mga kasama ko, guys. Tapos na sila. Yan si John. What do you think? Alright. Okay. Okay, bayad na tayo. And kumuha rin ako ng spray para pang spray natin sa ating bagong
So you get a
piercing.
spray and
Yeah.
information how to look after.
Okay.
Every piercing.
Thank
You can
you.
change after 2 months.
After 2
Is
months.
your receipt in there?
Alright. Thank you. See ya. Thank you so much. Yeah. Oh my God. I did it, guys. Ayan. Ako na talaga ang nagpa-ear pierce. Dalawa dito. And yung aking mga kasama, naglalakad na sila doon sa my beach. Tatawid tayo. Hi, Papa! What you got? Oh, you got plenty from Time Zone.
Yeah.
Look at my ears.
Why
Wow.
you have it so...
Yeah, I bought you one. I have here for you.
I'm the only
Yeah, well, later. Ayan, may market dito. Ito yung market dito, guys. Oh. What's that? Crazy light. Oh!
You know how to do magic?
Magic? Watch daw, Baba.
What's this? This one is for ages 5 or older. Yeah, come up, I'll show you.
Go. I'll show you.
So what you've learned is this. You put the box on someone's hand and you open the packet and you take out one card. What number is that one? Number 7. Watch this. You put it upside down on top and then you put all the cards in the magic box. And watch what happens. Are you ready? Watch. They disappear.
What is it? Hello? Are you? Where is it? Where is it, Zach? Zach, is it?
Did you see where he put the cards?
It's in your bag.
Hold them again. We're going to have to make it come back and let's see if they come back.
Hala? Paano niya yung nagawa?
That's this one here. I teach it on my YouTube. This one's for kids and adults as well. Show me and remember what it is. You know what it is. Could you hold it two hands?
Tawang-tawa sila.
I'll put it here. I'll put this on top. Can you remember this one here now? The Ace of Spades. Okay. I'll put it on your hand and you cover it with your other hand so then I can't change it. Yeah, like that. Now, could you put one finger in here? But don't pick the 6. Yeah, did you pick the 6? No, don't pick a different one. Do it again. Do it again. But pick a different one. Okay. Do you know what different means?
Oh, this...
Same one though. Yeah, that's the same. You have to pick a different one. But she's not listening. She's not listening. You have to pick a different one.
Pick!
She doesn't know. She doesn't know. That's okay. She loves the 6. I love 9s. I don't like
Si Ivy nagpapa-sketch. Let me see you, Max. Is that you, Max? Ayan na si Ivy, oh. It's raining. Umulan, guys. Sak, what do you think of mommy's ears? Look, my earpiece. Good? Good daw, good. Pakagaling naman siya.
Well, we had this done in China. And I did one for
Who you talking to, bud?
Filipino.
Oh, yeah.
Why? Is that alright? Yung mga nag-say hi ba sa akin? Kasi nauna sila dito, so nakita niya siguro ako may kausap. Yes, you already did. Nagpa-picture na dyan si Holly eh.
What's there, man? Nothing.
3 more.
Walang masyado ditong ano, makakain dito sa market dito sa Surfers Paradise. Baka punta tayo sa Miami Market. Oh. Okay, can you move a little bit, Baba?